Very big good afternoon for outside the country people them. We dey glad for meet up una for this side inside number 30 day for number 6 moon 2018. Maybe the last one for the moon for number 6 moon before we go meet up for inside number 7 moon. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go talk accident the way they pass for we national road number 5 for this week we just finish am. We go talk palava house the way the chakara for place on Godi. We go talk even palava for Bibi Guataho for Logbesu Miket side where they cause people them confusion. We go talk this palava contribute where they don't start for contribute for help people them for Norwest and Southwest. So now the people there they don't contribute plenty money if we get for look and find. Now center region where they come out 152,969,600 francs and they follow for back now Ngaundere with 21 or south with 120 million. So we go try for look inside it to read them plus other one this afternoon. Now change them when are normal people them now for we. One person, Oga Jan Divine. Good afternoon, Oga Jan.
Afternoon, Ambassador.
How your week be passed?
No, my week be passed fine. We don't do all things fine.
All right. Another person, now Oga Eric. Eric, afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ambassador.
And your week?
No, my week passed fine. I want to waste a lot from my border them for Southwest with the inside bush. When they come now, so I want to tell them the whole time. The one they actually to put they don't take bullet for that side where they did for hospital, they never die. Make the whole and fine. You go pass.
Okay. Tori for this afternoon, we go start one time. We enter for inside this accident for national roads. Number 5. Accident for manual voyage with moto wey e carry cement. Tori wey enter for we ear na say wetin moto wey e comot for that side for Chan wey na the manual e be the camp for Douala. Moto wey carry cement e be the go for that side for Banga side as so fit put am or for west. Wetin happen na say this moto wey comot for place wey they dey call am say Chan e be one struggle for do wetin e be one struggle for pass before motor for cement in Nakam. Inside that motor, one person he die. And the one person where he die con the people them, na boy where he just come off from Gata. Where he come off for Chan, he dey come for this side for Douala. Now the motor that with for cement where he make that accident. And people themselves for inside that motor con the people them as well start showing them. One of the person na only one he die for inside this accident where it happens so for roads. Even as well motor block roads. We also see other big motor that they pass. They don't even get time for wait for see whether they feel help people them or how. But Sabi say inside the motorway he make that accident as what talk for them. One person he die and plenty other one they come up for outside there with a BB wound. Now national road number 5 and road SSF a day like a dash. Oga Jang we call and say national roads but all time na accident.
Ambassador, we don't tire for Palava Road for Cameroon. Every day we talk and I will still continue for talk. At times, not be only road, but even driver, the way they ride, where they carry human being, the way they get in life. They overtake motor. If you want overtake motor, look motor where they for your corner. I will not see, the one now will not fit to whether na the bad road or na the driver a cause. But for me, I know say road them for Cameroon, they not define.
Alright, road for Cameroon no dey fine, but we sabi say this accident so we dey talk. All man be one struggle for fine road for pass. Motor do already block. You know, sabi say we road over small. Okay, Eric?
Yes, that Palava road for Cameroon and a problem really all side for Cameroon region then problem for road because it no be normal say since more than 60 years na the very road they want to use them. Even for that west road when you travel go there when you see us. The road small. You say the only pray and pray, and God to keep people there. You know, that road don't make like more than 50 years, even for make a big small, make motor they pass because as long as time they go to population the increase, motor they do the plenty for country. But now the very road they want to see use for Cameroon here. You know, be normal. Normally, minister for transport get for take that dossier, open the road, and make the road the big. So that when motor they pass, the way you know this motor when they go up, no this motor they come down. Because
now, if you talk say minister get for take the book for start work that sabi say that one another plenty money for inside country.
But money dey account now. See where they show you say money dey account now. When you hear say minister don't take money, the end a billion. It means say money dey account. They no play with money dey. Now let's say na management they kill them. So I'm feel say if they get at least they be sorry our population Cameroon and them, they for make a middle road them. Be the enlarge that road, the main motor they pass. The way motor they go up, you know this motor they can down because most of the accidents are ever fast. Motor kiss other motor. It means the road is small. When man overtake the meter the other one for road. You know be fair. We do for 2018. They get a line go them. Then that nation go plan
well, they go tell you say aeroplane go do work for up and leave them for some half.
Yeah, because
aeroplane no carry all man. Aeroplane. Some people they where they never where they will go now with motor. When Mr. Eric talked. It been a true because now say when something don't be for Cameroon, they need to change anything. If they be change thing, they would start for government for Cameroon. When something they for Cameroon, it don't be. They need to change them. So they will not even change the road too. More the manage and so.
Not only for Teda, but they were driver and say me the as they go the bad. Me they no say they go the bad. Me they work and small because that going away jam that other motor. You should say the motor no be over there with speed because one man die. If you be not saying the motor there with speed, if you be a different thing. So the show say the driver no be living wrong with speed. Now let's say na condition for the road make the motor they tumble side. So maybe the avoid that kind. Maybe they work as small for our order. Even prison for. I see don't hear against they don't be prison for the wala. No one day because na the old thing they would use and so today no be normal. They get for modernizing them. Elijah made it big.
When they talk about prison, we go for New Bear. Yes, some money be there where they be come out. Where they be tossing they be prison for New Bear. But that money be done for Moose. So more leave Palava prison, more they talk Palava road.
Alright, another palaver for roads. Now also for National Road number 5. This one accident will happen for place where they call am say Carrefour Tombe. As I be say Oga Django sabi that route, that place fine. For sake say if you be in a place where they ever stop before you pass go for Tombe. Now woman that way motor way carry iron on top his skin. He no be tie iron. Police stop am, he no stop. First woman, he no die. But another man too, they come out away that iron before on top his skin. That way they come out the man iron for skin. The man says he no be the breed fine. We hear say this man he last died for hospital. Then another number 2 to 3 person he be there, and that person too he be there a woman, and all them so 2 people them they die for sika this accident where it happened for that side so for Carrefour Tombe, and they try for blame the accident for sika say moto he carry iron there for his skin, he carry other cargo them, he no tie someone, he tie someone, now he make this accident it happen. Last who they go put the blame? Now the driver where it is so he no be tied in them, or now the people there they decide for corner road. Loom something now he no gets pack.
People they want me accuse them. Now gendarme that would see the way they do for road. Where they control motor them because that motor he command a Douala, he command the motor pass through Douala, so it pass more than 3 checkpoint them. So the gendarme them where they be stand for road. They no look the motor. They no discover and say the man no be tie cargo.
But they stop the motor. Say may stop the motor, no stop. Instead they go with speed.
Then they begin for follow you. They begin for follow before one for them because camion they were working.
If you should say that police people they be there and one they be there on duty.
Poor na say we no say no only one control day. Some control and they stop with that kind can go them. Now we tell they stop am. You know stop sometimes because we no see na police. That kind go now we tell they stop am. When you go tell stop am, we tell the shona for a chair. You know, I never ever see which you go control motor. This is for a chair. You get the motor, we don't put on for corner. You get a machine. They can get jangi money. You take and put it inside a book. You give back, you go back. So if that could say that they do their work fine before that man want take road, I'm not sure say if I reach for that kind of food, then that wahala happen. So na government, na that authority, let me accuse and that people ready to control road because they give a make sure say before some motor want take road for travel. Therefore, make sure they don't put all meeting means make security be. Come on, you go accuse population. They be say that it be normal. They be say they will go onto the motor tire. No, you accuse driver on a patron. Hala is him go so. He just enter motor to because no one lost his work. He just started going. Now gendarme will go there for stop that motor, talk for that motor, so no that motor no fit travel for that condition. Park am for corner. If they permit them the motor to take road, that mean that they will get for accuser.
Mr. Harry, you say that gendarme there they need to control motor, they control a person.
Alright.
Because when you sit down, you wait your envelope. How you do control motor? Since I started travel for the country, I never seen gendarme or police, they come. They check the way they inside motor. Even now, wait, the transporter for Cameroon here safely without any problem. Because they need to check, they need to control motor, they control person where they can contribute. They need to contribute. If they be the control motor, then that motor not be passed many controls so they go make accident now for loom. So till way they talk now, till way be not true. If they be the control motor, they for tell that driver say thing the way carry am, they not be well secure, and that accident not for occur. So I need to blame people the way the person wey make accident over there. The blame control where they put am for road where they then are just pull.
Now it be normal say after that accident, driver and motorboy they be get for run.
No, driver they not be get for run. If you know stubborn driver then to the day, if that driver rotate them at the sea when you go with their 1,000, they'll spend petrol for 2,000 follow you. Cash you whether it's gonna for outside. If you just see motor line for your front. But why they not be do? If that truly they be one control that motor, they for run go stop that driver. So this other two way over there for country, loom, that way they born me will meet up loom. Before they will be born with papa they meet up loom. Up to now, park in order for loom. It been a something where be PT. Park loom be so forget park by now. Even that road for go for Tombe where I used to pass for day, it not be secure. Because this other way if motor fuel breaks, you know, say 100 of people they will die because they see people they day for road where they sell no control.
Okay, if you say how they feel control that people they sell for corner road, it not only for loom, the accident don't happen for loom. Plenty people they don't get the same that problem. How if you say they feel control people they sell for corner road?
That problem for people they sell for all side. Even when you travel. Where is for peage? See as people they run for the picking, you see small picking them. Mommy them they run for motor for only for sale. Motor fit climbs up onto your skin. We man no drivers no realizer. So me I feel say for according to me, many of them they get for take their responsibility. They make a made the big garage tear them, put place where traders they go shoot down, sell their thing them. They when you go for San Malimade. Where you reach for park, place they even from van, where they reach from van. When you pay a ticket, place and the way you feel go sit down for the shop, you feel go buy things for the place. There's some people they also go sell for. When a mentality way they don't put them for Cameroon and they hate. Now because they count them. Now government in place, now the government they in place now because they no one do.
No, any place where they travel for the country, where checkpoint they need to be far from police station. But that picking they did run. Now when a holiday they did run past motor. But no man they control them. If gendarme they or police they stop say no one see no person except motor stop. In fact, government duty not only for chop money. Government is not for protect civilians them Cameroonian them, assure their security. It not be normal if the policeman say it not be secure. It pass. It not be normal. You get for come for the put you in security or tell you know for that place you come. Even now the bill. We will come for the when we will talk palabra. That was the wrong broker. They get for come for the to play day for this so you not be secure. Come on for the so they get for come. They get for organize themselves. If na police they feel name and make the work make the name. When people they come so they put our word. They say no, na go send for inside. Na go send for inside. Na come on for road because na not be safe for the road.
But you know check say sometimes because say the business they pass better for road pass for inside.
Now what our thoughts na mentality they don't put them for Cameroon that hate. Government don't put them for Cameroon that hate say. For man can say laissez aller va-et-vient. That means any man be free for do what you want for Cameroon now. You know, Okada man, if he come, where you get problem, you call people them. One day bike pass, you will see one day bike. No policeman will follow the bike. They'll go do they will harm the person, or they'll go fight for the. You know, see police for this, so they finish, they go back. That means the country. Now, do a come on a bomb with the bomb inside some how do you call them? How do you call them?
It's a port.
It's a port. Because we not be secure. Actually, we not be secure inside our country because when they see some small thing for quarter year. Last time they can't aggressive for the second day. People they come up for Sunday for around 12 o'clock. Can we knife them, collapse them, more than 50 people then they enter. We take all our phone for inside quarter for Beseke.
Beseke not far from Bonasama where gendarme police
Beseke
a day.
Gendarme day, policeman day. All thing day around Sapé Pompe they day. They finish they take all my media phone them, all my media money for all this they key 2 people them for a quarter. they go back. They no catch no man.
They will come.
They no catch no man. So they today.
So una fit say all man for that palava wey they talk for palava for road, una fit say we say so no get blame because even when they give a place for sell someone, then they need to sell. For sake say they already get that sense, you know, na for road we be near the past.
Yeah, I tell you something. Thing we don't spoil country when the war country when a Cameroon. Na negotiation. Anything we negotiate for the country in the past. If people the way they dey for road, they drive them today, tomorrow you see them for day. Now who they drive them? Now who they allow them for be for day? Now the same people where they drive them. Now the same people where I know a case for Mashem and Banda where some woman talk they say for corner road. They say person call he say can't see me for say me they give money. That it just say that person will come up for corner that road, it will still continue for the sale for day. The thing where they spoil the country and say negotiation over B, and I can't discover that thing for the Douala.
I go take you other example. Carrefour Ndokoti. When Tone don't knock that Carrefour, drive commerçant, they enter for inside store, they go install them. Then they go when police will come, they go 16 them, take and go. They go make them enter. After the people then the very people them where they get truck them for good. They go make envelope. They'll scan as any man give 50,000. They'll make envelope. Any man give money. Take and put the envelope. Go give them back. They will come back for good. Every time that they can't drive them. When they say when I touch the say money don't money don't finish where they take them. You don't start. You don't finish. They will come back again. Drive them. The guy will make envelope again. Can't give them again. They leave them. They say so. As we talk over there inside matter too. As what authority in the way they give, he lock him up. He make lesson he permit him. So na very na big work.
Before you stop, I ask Pekin for class on day. Wait where all man go like and for B. Some Pekin 8 years Pekin they tell me say we like for B police. I say why? I say Sunday in Miami they be the travel. Any place where motor stand, they give policeman money. Any place where motor stand. See the kind of mentality where Pekin they grow. You just say the virus where the trouble so it will finish. It not ever finish.
It will surely finish someday.
Okay.
Now for prayer.
Prayer.
So for inside Loom, we go enter now. So for inside town for Loom, we talk this palava for some boy where they call it say Dan Alphonse, where he born he own friend, where they call him say Buba Garissa with the fuem for Sika 15 for that side. So for Loom, he be then a chapter for waiting chapter for money where he born con the people them for Sika these people they go work for that side. So where he dey on a plantation con the people them. 15 they be get for share 3,000 for 5 people there or 3 people them. Person wey carry money for go change am last waiting he pass he go no turn back. Dan Alphonse he carry oil or petrol he throw am for his own friend he back he burn am fine for Sika say 15 population be 1 kill am but police people themselves they be they drag the boy so they put am for inside police station as so they be turn am for wait whether the boy he go come out again for outside. So police people themselves they be get their own small hut for that side. So for Loom for inside this week. So country people them now make we sabi say that man wey they call am say Buba Garissa where they be born it to we be here say or he can for skin if he don't peel or he can for skin if he don't peel. The last time we our man if he go for that side so for go check his skin so if he then a big thing where it happen for inside the week. Now Oga John 15 if you make a you born person with
for me ambassador any people wey dey get rasta for head I the sorry but as some people wey dey get rasta for head some for me I consider say most of them dey not be normal. If you see that boy head any man wey dey leave hair dey grow so tey dey touch it back and dey get some kind of mentality towards that people dem for Sika 15 you wan finish that man in life you know say if na say na thing wey no be used to for do petrol no be say blow it no be one burn that man into ashes say may it no ever be for the world again. I no sure say na only that 15 make and that man go burn that person. Sometimes they get different problem where it just go transfer aggression say no I must finish with you today for 15 no be you know buy 3 beer for Cameroon.
No. Then
for Sika that money you want kill person and you throw na petrol say may kill it. For me I say and say no na only that 15.
So you see as na the very thing I be talking about being so inside Cameroon na e dey like jungle na my get power the dictate the law. You know, say policeman say there for that place. They be the policeman be even there. They be drag the man. Now the very thing. Diwa country this so thing they don't over. Don't that means level now for mentality, negative mentality over high. How a Fusca 1-5 person will go take petrol to one for a combi where they don't work together for some shanty. Translate bonny for that state.
He brother.
He brother. So they bonny for that state. Me I feel say either the guy be takes that drugs where they call him that drugs them where they that drugs that they smoke am because where you get up behavior and safe. You know if you get up behavior you need smoke that thing. Me I feel sometimes be take that drug push me make that kind thing. But as you don't handy, if I never kill you, they don't hang for the authorities and for the town. Authorities they will know they will put you for phone law, your face law, and they will give you sentence where in need them, and then you go go yamu.
Go ngata for go yamu. Well, yes. Anyhow, nothing that pass. But I say, okay, John, if now you be police or if you get for give judgment for the palaver, what you do? Wait you give the man like a casino.
That man for say me pepper we don't enter his eye for say me clear fire. That man need 10 years because na killing that he need 10 years imprisonment. If not so, though the lock man today see you tomorrow. Now killing and killing. If it talk say 5 years a day is small. If not me, I be the sentence that man na 10 years. May rest fine, may eye clear.
So if you say that 10 years go correct it for inside there.
The 10 years no correct it because before he would do so, nothing will be used to for do. Sometimes get where they negotiate they come on.
Okay, Eric, if you say 10 years is more or
my point is no 10 years with the give. My point na maybe when you go enter prison, because I'm sure say when that period they enter prison, they will yet we don't do one too. They go torture you fine for them. Then you go enter a hit. Me, see what I want to say, me the make me come back for his senses. Me the put it for where we enter ngata. Me the educate it. They say violence no fine. Make if na person way sometimes they feel look and say sometimes be mentality disabled. Me they look as the feel stabilize their head. If na drugs where they take, me they feel look as if they feel make me stop am. But if not only for give 10 years, you know, after people don't make 10 years for prison, come out the next day they still do the very thing. We'll get people that they come out, they go make 4 years for prison. When they come out, the next years they don't catch again.
I mean, they need to drain their blood. They don't already enter for their blood.
Yes. So they get for educate them, follow them up. Me that kind of thing. Me no repeat them. Me no repeat them for the society. Okay.
So for inside news for quarter, Tory for quarter, make we enter from Goody side. We go talk this palaver for house the way they chakaram for inside the week too. Now people the way they don't shit down for their house for plenty here and they be tossing land. It be then for big ndungu. So last person way e get land. Courts igi commandier say go for before for say make it do anything one do with the land. So more than 50 people they dem where they chakara the house them for sika say the land it be there for inside court and after we court a judgment come out. One time person way he get the court case he way win am he go find a caterpillar for city council one time. A chakara people them so plenty people they say they lost their cargo them inside this chakara with the chakara house and even someone they lost their book them important book their identity card birth certificate even picking their book them all thing a loss for inside this palaver for land for Douala we sabi say no be na strange thing oga Rick this palaver for land everyday chakara and you need the chakara say na one money house all time you dey check na for chakara at least 50 people dem e mean say one person go get land wey 50 people dey on top e no go even get sorry heart e chakara the people dem all that one correct?
No, e no correct. I dey even accuse the first person wey dey blame myself na that authority that procureur dem that president tribunal wey dey give that kind order wey go destroy more than 50 families pikin dem for that family part dem dey there pikin dem dey go school pikin dem people dem dey wey they no na Douala people dem wey dey come na different province for can shit down for Douala. Some people know that they work. Some one they do sometimes their master don't be that house, left and they that die. It not be normal say at this kind of time so you will send people one man you will go destroy more than 10 houses. Now the very way we get them for combat, wait for combat the school then they will even be school then for they picking up the go school for the place. But person can't touch their own so they broke the school then. picking the way they go school, they stop for go school. And they ask and say, whether that people, that authority, they want to make they want to make that anger enter come on their skin, or they don't like their president, because if they like their president, that kind of thing no be normal. Say for scar 1 man, 10 families they suffer. Imagine, you know how many people they go die for that place, that paradigm. How many people they want go take AVC, as they call it, stroke for English. You know how many people they will go back for village. As a so sometimes one they will go for village, and the one they will go for village, they will go do. How many go die? That might mean them. How many go fall sick for scar matter? That picking for as how many go turn to people them? How many go stop school? They go for put action and that kind of question them. Normally when some person you have to sit down, he gets online where you have to say people in there for they go for go down, see there as the place they say it don't be more than a community, because the first community that now wages on community that they go for call it back, tell you say bon. See how if government we say they know they even call the community, see how they fit contribute small money, give the man me go manage. Let me so if I buy some land so I meet up people for this one, I look that kind of me. Like Grand Kako, because I know say wow distraction someone do it they go die safe.
And the same people that when you die now so the land will take you.
Voilà.
I know say 2018 na year for Chakara House for Cameroon. That one don't be a contamination where come up from Southwest reach for Douala. The problem I say for Bible it does say with God everything impossible, but for people some people they say with money everything be possible. Now which can judge if he give judgment say may they go destroy more than 50 people their houses. Now just empty now because I don't tell and I say corruption for this country starting from port. There they go for Banda. Anything where you pass money for this country, I tell you say the pass. That man so you just say for not to give others say they go Chakara people their house. Maybe the people they go straight on for outside. Some people they where they are diploma they for inside the house so they don't lost. They will go school again, start school for each day, then they get that diploma them. That people they where so when they sleep outside, you talk something. Boy when they get nothing for do, where they don't Chakara their mommy in house. You just say no John I come for bikini thief. Woman will not get place where we should don't. You know go for street bikini make prostitution. Now who lead them? Now person where don't take order. And then that caterpillar where they say and so now city council Senna. The man they work for council, they go hire caterpillar now for who? Now still money where you spend, and that means when you get money for Cameroon, if you even burn the whole country, you pay money because of money. See the kind of where people they do.
We go take now we go for road from Dobo. Make we enter for this road from Dobo one time straight for talk this palava for road from Dobo. We be pass from Dobo for place where they slaughter beef, for place where they call them saying Dobo site. Make we try for enter for that road. For say these people then say they hear bad. These people then say they hear bad. For Sekase roads. It don't Chakara where also way the waka you must to meet up wo and water way don't turn up. All the whole roads it don't spoil, water turn up, even Okada people they say they the nyati for corner before they pass for corner water where it make and say people they say they get motor they no fee for enter for the water for Sika say where they don't deep plenty. Some of them they declare say a day like say city council say don't forget them say some side day where they call them say Ndobo. For inside Douala here, for inside Douala for. Now the condition then that for roads, when rainy fall, now so to water, it turn up all for inside the roads. It make a man no fit sabi as way if he put a foot self, a pass for that side. So now some of the big problem in this, where people then put that side, so from inside Double, roadway they go for slaughterhouse, they get them. 2018, we also there for inside the kind of condition. Or we want join hands and make Kunkuma a plan for 2035 for say Cameroon go for before Iwaka. But Jan 2018 side for Douala economic capital people they put na tire before they enter for the house. When rainy fall they don't let tiptoe for pass on top. You feel say now for before or now for back?
Now for back now. Say for they see tire there na normal bridge for Cameroon. The problem na say that slaughterhouse where you talk so now for the way they kill cow where they distribute them for all Douala. That people they pay tax. I mean that people the place where they pay. Okay, the money where they pay tax enough to arrange that road so they make and a motor they go carry give them they bring them for town.
That big motor
But
is
road no dey. They will carry that big dem for head, and no person never ever go. They for see the place where them meet they come out, then they can for their market. The foreigner say, "We dey go now for back. We no dey ever go for before." Even that 2035 where they talk so. Now word once they apply.
So you want to say they only write and upon paper?
That one na write am for paper. Write am for paper. We dey see one na action. We know the one thing where they talk say I go. Start to do something so that may they see and say no. Before the 2035 they will finish am. But see road them for Douala. Of course, place where people they pay tax. You know how many cars they kill them for abattoir one day? Or if they kill 100 cars, now how many hundreds of thousands that income? It become like income for city council. Now big money. Yet road no day for go for slaughterhouse. It be a shameful thing.
Okay, Eric.
I want to tell people and say for that $4 that $4 now CPGM get that mairie. Me Mr. Elange when I'm mayor and Mr. Simon when I'm premier adjoint, may they go for day. They go to at least gravel, may they try see that they work. Because since they take care of that place, I never ever see some road where they touch that they fix them.
But they don't fix all them from Abundance or other places.
For which place from Abundance?
Don't fix
them. When from Abundance, don't have project come up for mairie. That pavé they put on a project for mairie. The project come right for Yaoundé. That second road, that road they go from Abundance for Ndobode. Now road way mayor. Get for go to gravel for day. I don't see no get right for put kunta. They get right for fix the road so that make people they pass. They want to tell them, may they go for day they tray at least gravel because I don't start.
But I need cut you short. They try for tell me to say that road now that place water they use to stand plain. So you mean say if they no open water hold them for water for pass and all that kind of thing.
Now still city council get to open water.
I want for day that problem for water. Money be come up for Yaoundé, may they open water hold them for Douala. Time people they over there inside water. They be say me they open now. They come for Bonabé. The time where the governor be for supervise the work. The way governor be for can supervise for Bonabé. They can't take beginning for Makwata. They give them 2,000. Give them remote. Put them inside mud. They give them shovel. Make them say the work.
And we borrow.
Governor come up for moto. Nana bit. He been a bit asomo. He don't be a minister of defense. He come inside moto. He look beginning inside gutter as they work. He look him. He enter back inside limousine. He go back. As he go back, so other beginning come back. They bring some baby pot cookie. They give them the chop. After any man, I don't know how much they be give them. Any man go for your house. If you see that kind of thing, it be normal again for come on for 2018. They give no say na money they don't give them. They work. But they need if you work, stay for
say man, so, you know for here they need to supervise work. Man fish you don't give contact call for your own day. They don't finish. They say yes. You know, come on one day. I see some governor for Nigeria. They go for street, go see whether thing where they talk, it be not true. He walk away rainbow, walk and see, he observe the work. He supervise, the supervisor. I see mayor for Boya. It be John street for keep Boya clean. But for here, they don't finish. Yes, okay. No man need to go for field for go see. Now why that even government contract them? They need ever finish and people they need to do well. Even road the way they small so they don't give money. Say they line on the road, but you know if you see the money.
And tomorrow, if sometimes the population they gather they walk over there say they want fix it, they want trigger over there. You will see Janan or police or can't say no. Why not give the order? Maybe they work up. You will start making a big problem. So on school set for Bonabé, they for Kona and Dobode. Where machine will jam picking because motor will pass for them for speed. So PTA meeting. The organizer will go see authority look at the film. The necessary go contribute money make do that now. Me when motor the camp will come school me it breaks more. So that project should take 2 years today. That project they thought they see what they want they give order for make do that. Me picking me motor no the jam picking where they are they used to jam. Imagine we don't know which kind of country for one which kind of progress for the Cameroon.
All right. We go, if we remain for Palava for roads, we go also talk, but maybe before we finish for this chapter for the road, we na feel say even governor delegates, you know, get some role for plan for this road them for inside the town, because now you put all of blame on top mayor and the assistant. If you say government delegates, say no get hand for most of this road them for inside Douala.
I know they accuse government delegate again because na person we are no voter. You understand? So I know say
no they appoint you, so you know
they appoint you. Never say normally no be get appointment. They no be get appointment. He can call.
You sabi whether the mayor to get hand, he get power for do that work.
Never I talk say they no be get for. I need look again because na person wey I no vote am. You no be normal say person wey they appoint am wey na come before a combi. The appointer he will come. You can give order for person wey na who don't vote me work. Now why that way problem go so be for the county because it not be normal say delegate for day who know it. I don't even know it. I know say that you go na doctor. But my mayor I know say I vote for my region. I know say if I get some problem,
you meet up here.
I go meet up here. I can't tell you no nothing to do with the face. Comes on. You go meet up here or tell you no, you don't send them for delegate.
When you say a hand and two.
He hand them to the shots. Never they call and say that decentralization no. It means that that's waiting. You go to for the episode for that delegate will tell you say no. If you don't write them, send for your own day. Wait me come back.
You don't mention something. Say decentralization.
That's what they call now.
For this country, mayor they get voice for Cameroon here. Mayor fit sign, if he take decision, say may they do work the war. Where other not fit come on your own day. If you are on the give other na 10 years, before that 10 years will finish, you just say the thing will remain as so.
No, me I feel say that vote for nobody. Mayor if you go inside budget for council, moving na 5 million. They get money.
Mayor they control
every day the home Okada them for whole day. I know that Mary for Bonabena Mary with the war Okada pass all Mary them.
Hi man sabi.
Nobody see am. No.
They the whole Okada them for this knock am for down. We see am. That Mary no the clown empo. No be for Bonabena no pay.
They no na Bonaberi.
No be they no the Bonaberi.
Then for side the money they go then.
Make them go for that.
Then abattoir road where they go abattoir they for.
Make them go for that money. Move even at 5 million or even at 10 million. Buy gravel, throw am for that road. Make people they at least they go for their.
If you say if mayor now yes okay, may you go buy the gravel throw him. If you say gravel go solve that problem, no be when rain for water also turn up. We go at a no day.
Never I talk now. For a level if you throw gravel because I know some people.
If you throw gravel, pull water road. Even the small water road.
Say plenty people that has a get for Chakara.
No, if you
throw
now then I people they
because some people they never respect commandeer for house.
No, I like some. When you look at
some.
Yes, so one a day. When you say no alignment day, alignment day, you see no. Not for say alignment day. Not for say me they go for the trade ground. Me they say at least you don't travel for your own level. You see nothing like the no problem because
check say the ego go spoil work if you no pogota.
Try for do your now what they say no. Do your own. Make different 11 for different level.
Okay.
Make try for do your own. We say you don't try for do am. Now the other side on 11 now turn to 11 now. That will turn and say no, you don't try. When I say as almost don't let people the water enter for the water enter supply as the key people there. No be normal.
Okay.
If town planning be there for Douala or for Cameroon, they know for Chakara people they are because when land they were in a virgin land, they drop land. How will people they will settle for that land? So that means they not broke any money. If they did drop land for the Cameroon, especially for the Douala where they over Chakara people their houses, for Biso. Town planning not there.
No town planning not there because I'll tell you some example. Look for 1 point they do play the bidder second bush. Some brigade did know.
Yes.
That brigade make 5 years.
For side.
No make 5 years. They be bigger for day. You don't make 2 years they announce and say they broke up. So they don't come broke and now one of the pass. It means inside their project they don't know say bush go pass for the. So they go be some BB brigade. So how much that my house will be how many tap for our villages.
All right, make we continue with other palaver them. We enter for small wait wey dey happen for Norway Southwest. So be for inside refugee camp again. For inside this week we come out. Make we try for see as the refugee people they done. Then we go talk quick on top this palaver for contribute to they happen. Make una sabi say refugee people them they so wait and they so wait where they happen. And sabi say for inside this contribute to a pass for Douala here we be get 11 million when they join them and Nadimo just continue. We show it Douala. We enter to from Gaundere side for talk say even from Gaundere they be so make contribute for 21,512,000 francs from Gaundere side, and for Sabise for inside South region they contribute 120,100,000 francs, and Agra Tango Seseb it will be a special stranger for South Minister for Big Book Jacques Famin Dongo Seseb be dead him for Yaoundé side. even for inside the same palava contribute this farm. Now when the people that say they don't contribute the plenty money for inside this palava, 152,969,600 francs where they don't join them for that side. So for Yaoundé, for help people then for Northwest and Southwest. Now plenty people they ask how that this money go enter for the people that they hear about, or the money it go last hand for air. Now the big question that Oga Jang problem with the social here every day say gone in the hala Northwest, Southwest, road block, road no block. We feel say be better plan when governor don't plan them, na better thing.
And that's I'd like that money. You know, before dog we begin Mami Bele, it be stand now we play. The palaba anglophone problem where they talk say day to day so it start like a mustache seed. It start grow. People they say anglophone problem no dey. Now they say they contribute money. The money where they contribute and so for me, some people they don't buy their plot where the money will build their houses. The money so I thank God say I thank Angie Paul Dede and Jean Famine Dongo where we talk say 2 cubes of sugar drop in a basin of water. No. That 2 cubes of sugar they don't decide whether they know dissolve. Now can they contribute that money today? I thank Angie Paul we talk say anglophone problem in no day. I did that now which kind of money they contribute now? Now for do weighty and that money as they contribute and so they put feather. They put feather. You see one day say that money don't fly. I hear say 200 million don't lost where they be give for you for this campaign for senator election. As that one don't go so. And so they want to be they glad now say if they be contributing that money for say maybe they solve anglophone problem for Northwest and Southwest, they for drop plan. How many houses they don't broken? How many people in there for Nigeria? How many people in there for Bush? They bring with plan. Say they will build this number of houses. We for confirm them now whether they contribute money for this matter. But for me, as I tell you so, the money where they contribute and so you see story building they start come out for Akwa, Bonanjo, Bonaprizo, Yaoundé for this income money where they build and so some people they only now food for ground now say yes the Angombo don't fall and Ambassador man not go detail to this matter. If I talk say I talk they will go sleep for here.
Okay.
The ones who now they gonna say cafouillage comedy where they make them. It no be fair. They feel say me no feel now let them go school. We were papa they no be get they no get work. They send me for school. So no what they do. Me they know say before they want to do it they don't make an time with that go for Boko Haram start. So they may they contribute, may they send them money for maybe they send money for soldiers then.
They contribute
so
for 2,000
so the soldiers they start strike for them for extreme no day. They catch them put them for they want when they strike they catch them put them for prison. They do for Kondengi. For no so they will never tell you as they be manage the money. They don't take and divide them, make campaign for senator them. Chop up. It normally see what my brother just talk. Normally I say no image. I don't see TV seen with this
matter for Anglophone.
The matter for Anglophone start. Embassy, Kamonga embassy for Nigeria, Abi.
Normally,
I never see ambassador for Nigeria for Kamodi. He represent Kamon for them. Go say for that play the year, see that Kamon and they go look them. I never hear them. Even for a year, no authority. They contribute that money so they all get for who? All money for Bush. And for Bush they all the mix.
They do different
they get what different Bush you go get for who. Now don't go there I be listening Ayapol on live on Facebook the other day yesterday. I see some video we put on for Facebook. Where some mommy talk say if she don't for a door now army they start shoot. They shoot the foot. He take bullet for a foot. So the mommy take bullet for a foot. So the other one they enter bush. They will go find another for outside for getting the money. So may they stop that kind thing. And may that money when they make and so we know say they get plenty money, we will not get them. May they show you money for TV. Now very bad thing. We never see for which country they happen so.
Mr. Eric. Transparency. I beg. Leave that one. The problem I say, if you come up for your house, you open tap. What are the flow for your house? The way your carpet. If you start widen out the carpet or you go lock the pump. If you lock the pump. See as people they make error, they dry clean water, pump the street flow. they dey dry clean water dey pump the still flow. That one na wasting of time. Na wasting of time. Make dem go look pump first. Pump one dey talk. Make dem go stop war for Boya and Bamenda. Yesterday gunshot for Boya. E no be big easy. I be dey Boya yesterday. Before I go reach for Douala, I be in trouble. Then which money did they contribute for go solve which problem? You know that day when Mr. Bia be blow whistle say bam, when was that? They never blow and say pre world end. It still continue. Then they contribute money where water dey still flow. Make they wipe water first.
But the money go help.
You know go help. You know go help. You sure where that money go do a day ahead.
You should that money not for buy gun again for not for buy gun them again for buy chop for
that money not for help.
Forgive army them.
If we get for talk on top this palava, we surely stay. Plenty other talk go join enter.
About some small thing
because we don't almost finish.
If we allow Tiwe I consider I see and say na Douala no contribute plenty.
Yeah,
population there money na capital
economic capital.
You know why? No, most of the Douala be for frontier for Southwest. That we know most of the thing they pass for there. We know that money.
We get to the head office.
Yeah, we know that money no go reach for there. Now why that way people they contribute? All right, people they for Saudi. They don't know which they pass for there.
All right.
They don't CBDM.
All right. So, call the people them. We don't finish for this afternoon. Okay, Rick. Thank you plenty for your time.
I thank you for the invitation. I want salute to my mommy
again.
All of my
quick. We almost finish.
Yes. Na Madam Maya Young.
Okay.
Na director for PWG KG.
All right. Okay, John.
Yeah.
Thank you plenty.
Yes, I tell my people then for Sodiko meeting. Say we're meeting dinner for Mr. Nongane County House for Carrefour Music, popularly known as Pamanga. I decided my madam to Madam Jeanette Malabong.
Okay.
100%.
Okay. All right. We want to say big thank you for honor. Rebroadcast for program will be for morning time 8:30. I go turn back for you for Monday. All team being equal. Make una all am tight.
Equinox Télévision, au-delà de l'image, nous rendons compte.
Vivez la 5e édition du Salon international de l'agriculture et l'agroalimentaire de Yaoundé, Siali, du 25 au 30 juin 2018 à l'esplanade du Palais des Congrès de Yaoundé. Au programme, premier forum national de l'industrie du Cameroun, colloque, échange B2B, foire, exposition, animation culturelle, élection Miss Siali 2018. Sponsor officiel, les brasseries du Cameroun.
Toute la force du lait, toute la richesse du lait, tout l'amour du lait. Redécouvrez Tino, votre lait aux atouts multiples. Tino enrichit ta vie.
chaleureuses, délicieuses et rafraîchissantes, les nouvelles boissons 33 centilitres Top Sao sont idéales pour les déjeuners en famille. Partagez le plaisir des boissons Top Sao riches en vitamine C pour le bonheur de toute la famille. Top Sao, c'est délicieux. Et pour les grandes occasions de réjouissance, de baptême ou de mariage, choisissez Top Sao, l'unique boisson pour que les fêtes soient belles. Découvrez les jus de fruits à l'orange, à la mangue et aux fruits tropicaux, les boissons lactées riches en vitamine C et en calcium, les yaourts à boire aux fruits et le jus de tamarin pour faire le plein d'énergie. Les jus de fruits et boissons Top Sao, essayez tout simplement. Top Food, le meilleur choix.
Soronu